So basically, Kelly was on Facebook Marketplace, and this guy listed this camper for $1 and then was taking bids on it. A lot of people said they give him 500 bucks for it. And he said first come, first serve gets it. So I just left work early and drove up an hour to go get it. And now it's in our apartment complex. So this is it. There she is. Hey. This is gonna be our, oh God, work in progress. Pretty rough around the edges, not gonna lie. But yeah, inside's pretty wrecked. So the guy said he was tearing it apart because he was going to make a flatbed trailer out of it. But he didn't get too far before he got stopped. So look at on the inside here. Pretty freaking rough. As you can see, I mean, it's gonna take a lot of work. A lot of work. Oh. Man, we're in it now. We're gonna see what we can do with this thing. So, how do you feel about it? How much repair do you think this is gonna be?
Just a little cosmetic stuff.
Okay. So day one, starting the demo, got a lot cleaned out. It's looking a whole lot better. There she is. Time for another demo day. Alright, so what we got here is a classic case of dangerous black mold. I'm just kidding, I don't know, it's pretty bad though. Check this out. I can literally just my finger pull it out. Serious water damage up in these parts. But it smells okay. It's gonna be fine. Day working on the camper. Alright, so our progress as of today looks a little something like this. Gotten that wall out, gotten a lot stripped out. I really haven't done much. We have like 2.5 hours maybe into this thing. We're just kind of trying to meticulously take it apart, see where the water leaks are, and then go from there, right Kelly? Dang, that's smart. Do that
power
again.
windows for who?
Here's a redneck power window. Yeah, love it. That's great. All right, tub's ready to come out. All right. Tub's out. All right, guys, so this was demo hour 3. I think we're still kind of working in a really random direction, looking at stuff, pulling it apart and see what happens. So let me turn this around and show you exactly where we're at. Okay, so from inside here, we started pulling everything off the wall, getting all the way down to the bare sheet metal. Kelly's been working on the ceiling in this area while I've been working on the bathroom. But the biggest difference today was the bathroom. We got the tub out. Nice job, Kelly. You killed it. You're a badass. And now we gotta go dump all this. Now we just gotta find a place for all this stuff. Look, can't do that during the movie, during the video.